4 days in Santorini. Santorini, with its awe-inspiring views, rich history, and unparalleled beauty, is a dream destination that beckons travelers from around the globe. If you are planning a short getaway to Santorini, this guide will help you make the most of your stay, ensuring that every moment is filled with discovery, relaxation, and adventure. On your first day, immerse yourself in the heart of the island by exploring Fira, the bustling capital. Fira is the perfect introduction to Santorini, offering a blend of traditional charm and modern amenities. Begin with a leisurely stroll through its narrow, winding streets, where you can admire the classic whitewashed buildings adorned with vibrant bougainvillea. Take time to visit the Archaeological Museum of Thera to gain insight into the island's ancient history. As the evening approaches, indulge in a meal at a cliffside restaurant, where you can savor local delicacies while watching the sunset paint the sky in hues of orange and pink. Day 2 should be dedicated to exploring the iconic village of Oia. Known for its stunning sunsets, Oia is a must-see for any visitor to Santorini. Spend the day wandering through its charming streets, lined with art galleries, boutique shops, and cafes. Visit the Maritime Museum to learn about the island's seafaring history, or relax on the terrace of a local coffee shop with a view of the caldera. As sunset nears, find a perfect spot along the caldera to witness the world-renowned spectacle, where the sun gracefully dips into the Aegean Sea, casting a golden glow over the landscape. On your third day, venture out to discover Santorini's natural beauty and ancient history. Start with a visit to the archaeological site of Itinerary, a Minoan Bronze Age settlement preserved in volcanic ash. This site, often compared to Pompeii, provides a fascinating glimpse into the lives of the island's ancient inhabitants. Afterward, head to one of Santorini's unique beaches, such as the Red Beach or Parissa, to relax and enjoy the volcanic sands. End your day with a visit to a local winery, where you can sample Santorini's famous Acertico wine while overlooking the vineyards. Your final day on Santorini should be spent embracing the island's more leisurely pleasures. Consider taking a boat tour around the caldera, where you can explore the volcanic islands of Nea Kameni and Palea Kameni, and even take a dip in the hot springs. Alternatively, indulge in a spa day at one of the island's luxurious resorts, allowing yourself to unwind completely before your departure. Whether you are a history enthusiast, a nature lover, or someone seeking tranquility, Santorini has something to captivate your heart. What part of this itinerary excites you the most? Share your thoughts and plans in the comments below.